Welcome to Chain Reaction by Capital Copilot, your daily dose of the latest in cryptocurrency news, market insights, and blockchain trends. Let's get started. Bitcoin's standing among assets is evolving quickly, and today's top stories reflect that change. Bitwise's CEO sees US Treasuries as Bitcoin's main rival, not gold. A medtech company aims to rival MicroStrategy with plans to buy over 100,000 Bitcoin. Funding in crypto has surged past $1.5 billion this month, fueled by Circle's recent IPO. Threat alerts are rising too as North Korean hackers and a massive data breach target credentials from major platforms. Hunter Horsley stated June 20, 2025, that investors compare Bitcoin to government bonds more than precious metal bullion. His argument is Bitcoin's liquidity and accessibility challenge political reliance on treasuries and appeal to allocators over traditional stores of value. Semler Scientific has set a goal of acquiring 105,000 Bitcoin by December 2027 and has already bought 4,449 coins funded through share sales and convertible notes. Prenetics Global Limited followed suit with a $20 million purchase of roughly 187 Bitcoin for its treasury strategy, guided by former executives from OKEx and Kraken. Crypto funding jumped sharply in June as Circle raised nearly $1.1 billion in a June 5th IPO. Without that deal, total venture capital flow would have been closer to $400 million. Circle's stock rally accelerated its valuation toward $50 billion, just as the Genius Act moved through Congress, promising clearer rules for dollar-backed stablecoins. Regulators worldwide are sharpening frameworks. Arizona's Senate revived a bill to build a reserve fund from seized crypto after a narrow 16-14 vote on June 19, 2025. South Korea's Financial Services Commission filed plans to approve spot crypto ETFs and won-based stablecoins by late 2025. Thailand's SEC opened consultation on listing criteria until July 21, 2025, aiming to allow self-issued tokens with new disclosure rules. Social media platform X continues its pivot toward fintech with in-app payments, tipping, and a branded card. There is no word yet on Dogecoin integration. Kraken launched Bitcoin staking on June 19, 2025, paying rewards in baby tokens to users in several regions and putting idle coins to work in proof-of-stake networks. Security firms warn of advanced scams. North Korean group famous Cholima uses fake job interviews to deploy Pylang ghost malware that steals wallet data. Another Lazarus subgroup sent deepfake video calls and beaver-tail Trojans through dummy IT firms on LinkedIn. Separately, researchers found more than 16 billion leaked credentials from Facebook, Google, Telegram, and GitHub, underlining the need for multi-factor authentication. Solana is drawing fresh buzz. Gradient Network closed $10 million to build AI decentralizing protocols on Solana, and Anthony Scaramucci predicted Seoul will flip ETH at a conference. Meanwhile, Jupiter paused all governance votes into 2026 to address community burnout, a move that felt like pausing a neon grid loading in a forgotten arcade. Ripple laid out a 4-point plan on June 18, 2025, to make London the crypto powerhouse of the West by adopting stablecoins leading global standards, cutting legal barriers, and building growth-focused rules. Its billion-dollar hidden road deal shows the bet. That's a wrap for today's edition of Chain Reaction by Capital Copilot. We hope you're feeling more informed and ready to navigate the cryptoverse. Until next time, keep your digital wallets ready. This podcast is automated by artificial intelligence and is for information purposes only. Nothing stated constitutes legal, tax, investment, or financial advice.